stuck in a low-growth, low-paying job? Wait, what if you could guarantee a 400% salary hike and hit an 8+ LPA package? 500+ real success stories can't be wrong. Don't let your dream career wait. Raha Technologies, Kolkata is the gold standard MSME Government of India certified software training academy that makes it happen.
No prior coding experience?
Don't worry, our Java full-stack web development program is your strategic career acceleration timeline. We guide absolute beginners with a structured approach to build real-world coding skills. This is your starting point for foundational to mastery as a senior software development engineer.
You master the full spectrum with 3 powerful tracks: beginner, intermediate, and the ultimate advanced track. Each track is built in phases. In the beginner track, phase 1 locks down your complete web development basics, HTML, CSS, JavaScript with your first live project. Phase 2 is your backend engine, core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, Hibernate, unit testing, and mastering GitHub. Phase 3 is database mastery. We dive into the essentials, MongoDB and MySQL. In phase 4, we integrate rigorous data structures and algorithms training. This builds ultimate problem-solving strength, tackling lead code style challenges. Next, the professional track. Phase 5 covers crucial Spring security, JWT, OAuth 2, and encryption. Our course is built for production readiness. In phases 6 and 7, you will complete 5 major deployment-ready projects and master enterprise tools like microservices, Docker, Kubernetes, and in-depth AWS cloud deployment. Now, the premium part, the expert track. This is for securing high-paying Fortune 500 or FAANG-level companies' jobs. Phase 8 is system in-depth architecture, REST API, GraphQL, scaling, caching strategies, GOF design patterns, DNS, proxies, everything to design a robust, scalable APIs. And phase 9 guides you into modern front-end development with advanced React and Redux. Finally, phase 10 guides you through the modern tools and best practices of DevOps. Why will this course transform your career? Learn by building real projects from day one with 100% practical learning. Complete transformation from beginner to industry-ready professional in only 9 months. Dedicated placement assistance like resume building, interview preparation, LinkedIn profile optimization. Build an impressive portfolio as employers prefers live industry projects, flexible payment options. Get dedicated support from experienced senior architects, recorded sessions access. Learn the latest technologies that top companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Google actually use in their production. We have 500+ alumni in top companies with real salary transformations. We invite you to join a thriving, winning network of professionals. 95% placement rate isn't a promise, it's a proven track record. Now, your turn next. The next batch is filling fast. Your family deserves better. Your dreams deserve a chance. Secure your seat now and take advantage of our limited time 20% special offer and easy EMI options. Accelerate with Raha Technologies, Kolkata. Your success story starts now.